Many of my clients come to me in the hardest moments of their life. They've suffered a catastrophic injury, they've lost a family member, their business has suffered a financial loss that they may not be able to overcome. And the fear of the future and the uncertainty is what has now driven them to come to a lawyer and to ask what available legal rights are there in order to add some security for their future. The civil justice system in this country is admired by the rest of the world. It is a remarkable system that allows both parties to evenly exchange information. It allows individuals to challenge the most powerful corporations in the world. I am so honored to represent the individuals in my practice, and every day we take on the largest corporate interests in the world and question, their conduct and ask them to take responsibility for the injuries that they've caused. It's not an easy fight. It's a very, very hard fight, almost in every single case. We're often up against tremendous resources, but my firm has the resources, and if I'm not able to advance those resources, we have relationships with firms around the country where we enter into co-counsel relationships and pursue those interests together. The civil justice system has several purposes. One, it is to compensate the individual. But many of my clients are concerned not just about themselves, but concerned about the situation and the injury that they've suffered not happening to another individual. Through the course of litigation, I've seen very positive changes. I've seen companies recall products. We've seen labels get changed on pharmaceutical products, which in return have prevented injuries from continuing to happen moving forward in the future. Without our system and without individuals having the courage to move forward and attorneys having the ability and the skill and the resources and the courage to take on these cases, the society unquestionably would be less safe. Individuals would continue to be injured in circumstances that are preventable. So through the civil justice system, through individual cases, we can have a much broader impact on society as a whole. The last purpose of the civil justice system, it is to punish certain companies. These are extreme circumstances, but where companies consciously disregard the health and safety of individuals, the civil justice system offers what are called punitive damages in certain cases. Again, those are typically those are reserved for the most egregious circumstances, but it does happen and is a major part of what these cases can contain, and it is an important part of our system and is an important part of making society much safer.